security breach to a large jewelry site. We were able to get out on site that day, assess the situation, get a temporary system back online, and by the end of the next day, we had a full system back working for the site. We set up time frames to make sure parts are sent out to all the trucks in the field.
When we go on site and we find a solution for the initial reason that we're there, and then we find something else, we're able to successfully find a solution for him. And if there's any time we have an issue where we can't get the answer right there, we can always go to our higher ups or find our resources to get a successful conclusion.
Relentless support means answering phone calls from customers, taking the step to go above and beyond to reach out, make sure that installs are scheduled with the customer. If they need something after the fact, I'll make sure that I'm there for them.